HM dot Fowimela,
Aro.
Ethan Irish,
Unknown.
Camille,
It's me, Shane Hart.
Abby underscore Toto,
Who's
Whoa.
that? KCCCC.
Gail,
Gail.
Janelle,
Lisaya.
Benzo.
Ajoy 16.
Simja.
It is now time to tell them what's going on. So right now we just flew from Manila. We're now in Cebu. And
No, we're in Mars.
Yeah, we're in Mars. We're in Jupiter. And we're in SMC side. And we're gonna go to the Cube area in like 5 minutes because we have a flash mob with our anchors. And we're gonna dance some HORI7 on. So if you're here today, practice your dance moves. We're about to hit it later.
I can't come. It's fine.
It's
you
okay.
can just.
You can have cookie.
Oh yeah.
You can have.
Hi from Bataan. Shout out.
Hey, from Bataan, let's go.
Oh, yung last live daw natin biglang nakate. So they were very confused.
I am convinced the reason why nakat nung time na yun dahil sa Grab driver.
Yeah. Tumatawag yung Grab.
Tawag sa amin na nandun na yung Army Navy namin.
So yung 5. Wow.
Bonjour.
Bisous. Je m'appelle Vinci.
How do you say that?
Pabate. Hello.
Hello po.
Hello.
Hi, Jiro.
Oh, good luck. Good luck. Lucky, 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 lucky. Hi, Jiro. OMG, andito ako sa seaside. Well!
Hey, go. Go to Cube area, bro.
Yeah, go to the cube
area, the thingy
Wait
with
for
the
us.
cube, that square, bro.
On the way to Cebu. Hala. Okay.
Watching from Pacific Ocean.
Wow!
Where'd you get the signal?
Isn't there no signal?
There's no signal in the Pacific Ocean.
Oh.
Oh,
well, I
hello
mean, if
from
you're in the middle
Singapore.
of Pacific Ocean.
Oh yeah.
Imagine.
Maybe he's like on a boat, like near that, like you know.
Yeah. Hi from Pampanga.
Hey,
Oh.
let's go. Jeremy isang pindat. Ho
Isang
ho ho. Hey.
Anong oras tayo ulit? 4 magsisimula?
Yeah.
Magsimula kami ng 4.
So, we gotta wrap up.
See you. Punta na kayo doon ngayon. Sa may cube. Yung may cube talaga. As in, may literal na cube
Cube?
doon. Square yun.
Square, malaking square.
Na nakatilt. Tapos marami siyang holes. It's hollow.
Di ba
Yeah.
nila tayo sabay sumayaw?
Oo, yun nga yung point ng flash mob eh.
Team ko yun.
Pero okay lang naman kahit walang sumayaw. Basta nandun kayo, masaya na kami.
Yeah. So we're gonna do HORI7 on. Lucky, 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 lucky. Let's turn. Lucky 7 on. Lucky, 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 lucky. Yes.
So, see you!
Bye guys.
Bye.
Seaside, SMC side. Okay.
Tara na, pakita mo yung yakin.
Pakita mo si Winston at si
Hello.
Hey. And then,